When purchasing any CBD product, look for the 5 P's to guarantee you are receiving the purest CBD oil at the best pricing. Professional grade. Zatural professional grade CBD oil is sourced from the highest quality, organically grown USA farmers and is third-party tested to ensure the potency. Pure. With Zatural, you receive 100% pure cannabis full-spectrum THC-free CBD hemp oil. No artificial colors or flavors, no fillers, and no additives. Potency. Some companies list the milligram of hemp extract and not the CBD milligram. For example, the hemp extract may be 30 mg per serving, which would most likely be less than 2 mgs of CBD. Zatural CBD is professional strength at up to 50 mgs per serving of pure, full-spectrum cannabis CBD oil with 0 THC, thus avoiding the psychoactive effect and the false positive drug tests. Place. Most companies do not list the country of source because they are buying inferior CBD from foreign countries. This CBD may not be pure or potent because of the use of chemicals to grow and process. Zatural CBD oil is grown organically in the USA. Price. Because we are a family-owned company with a naturopathic doctor as the owner, our goal is to bring better health and higher quality CBD products to as many people as possible. That is why you won't find a more pure, more potent CBD product at a better price. The 5 P's of Zatural CBD products: professional grade, pure, potency, place, and price. Zatural CBD products. Professional grade USA organically grown Zatural CBD oil